Hello friends and welcome back to yet another lecture. So friends, in this video we are going to install some more dependencies, okay, which will be used as a package in our code to provide the UI structure to our web application. So for that, what you need to do, just go at the top of your this VS Code editor, okay, and you will find this terminal option. Click on this and click on this new terminal option. As soon as you click on this new terminal, you will see that this kind of window opens up, and here the name of your present working directory will be written, and in this case it is chat app. Okay, and now here you have to write cd then my app, okay, and press enter. Now you can see that your directory has changed from chat app to my app. Okay, now if I say here, let's say npm install bootstrap, okay, here I am writing npm install bootstrap. This is basically a command to install the bootstrap package into my project. Okay, so as soon as I press enter, you can see that my terminal is basically installing some kind of package into my project, and as soon as this process finishes, then you will be able to see that here this bootstrap version 4.5.2 is listed. It means that it is successfully linked in our project. Okay, so in the same way we have to use several packages while we will be making the UI of our project. So as you can see here, I have prepared a PDF for that purpose. So in this I have listed all of the commands which will be used to install npm packages. So you can see here that there are various types of packages, and these are from total 1 to 26. So we will be needing all of these 26 packages in our web application to develop the UI or user interface. So let me tell you, or let me start from the first one. So we need to install this Availity React Strap validation package, and what it does basically, it makes it easy to use React validation components which are compatible for React Strap. So for that, you just need to write this command. Okay, write this command into your terminal to install this package. So here I will be writing this command into my terminal. So I will say npm then install then minus minus save, and here there is a space between npm install and after also this install, and then minus minus save, and then again a space, and then you have to write this availity. Okay, availity, then again this minus sign, then react strap, and then this dash or minus sign and validation. Okay, just write this and make sure that you are writing the correct command, and then press enter. So as soon as I have clicked this enter, it is installing my package, and as soon as it will be installed, you will be able to see here Availity React Strap. Okay, so now you can see that it is available in our project, Availity React Strap validation, whose version is 2.6.1. okay, so in the similar way, what you need to do, you need to install all of these 26 packages because these are going to be used in our project. So I have shown you how to do this. Let me also show you by the example of this Axios and Axios mock adapter. So let me also tell you what is the function of this Axios API that we will be using. It is basically used to create promises based on HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. Okay, so you have to write this command. Okay, npm install Axios into your terminal here. So here I am writing npm then install and then Axios, press enter, and this package is going to be installed. And right now there is no Axios package, but it will be available soon as it completes installation. So let us wait for some time and see. So now you can see Axios version 0.20.0 is installed successfully into your project. Similarly, you can just install this Axios mock adapter, which is a handle for the data transfer. Okay, So what is Axios mock adapter? Axios mock adapter allows you to easily mock requests, okay, into your server. So this is how you need to install all of these 26 packages, okay, that I am having here. You need to install all of these 26 packages. Just read the command from here and type as it is into your terminal, and do not copy and paste because that does not actually work sometimes. So if I have to install this bootstrap, which I already did, so you just need to write this command npm install bootstrap. For this .env, you just need to write here .env, okay, like this, npm install .env, okay, press enter. So now you can see that this .env version 8.2.0 is now installed inside your project folder. So similarly, you can install all of these 26 packages. So let me explain the function of each of these packages. So you already know the function of this ability React step validation, that is it makes it easy to use React validation component compatible for React step. Axios, it is basically a promise-based HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. Axios mock adapter basically allows you to easily mock request or to transfer data. Okay. Bootstrap, you all know that it is a sleek, intuitive, and very powerful front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Okay, because it contains various CSS libraries. Okay. After this .env. So friends, .env is a zero dependency module that basically loads the environment variable from a .env file, which we will be making inside our project. Okay, process.env. Okay, and after this, it is very clear from its name, Emoji Mart, what this package is going to do. Emoji Mart is basically a very Slack-like customizable emoji picker component for your React, okay, for a React application. So the emoji that we will be using inside our project for the chat, that will be imported from this library Emoji Mart. Then comes this fast deep equal. So fast deep equal basically helps in writing ES6 map, set, and typed array. Okay, so basically it provides support in writing the ES6 version code in our project. Okay, and after this Firebase, you all know that Firebase, this will be used to connect to our backend server. Okay, and after this Formic, it's very clear from its name. Okay, these 4 words, form. So it will be used to create forms in our React project. Okay, login form, sign up form, forget form. Then this I18 next. I18 next, you all know that I have already told you that it is a very popular internationalization framework, which means that it is used to convert an application into different languages. Okay, so this framework is used in various browsers or any other JavaScript environment, for instance Node.js. Okay, after this comes this I18 Next browser language detector. So what it does, this is a I18 Next language detection plugin, which is basically used to detect user language in the browser. Okay, after this JWT decode. So friends, JWT decode is basically a small browser library that helps you decode the JWT's token, which are base64 URL encoded. And if you want to know more about all of these things, then you need to take React and Node.js courses, which I will be releasing very soon. So follow along with me. And after this Node.js library. What this is going to do, friends, Node.js is a library that provides the binding for your Node.js to the libsass. Okay, and libsass is basically the C version of the popular style sheet processor, which you might have heard of, that is Sass. And we will be using Sass for writing the style sheets in our project. After this, friends, this React Alice carousel. So the part which is basically going to show the active users, okay, you can slide it. Okay, you can slide that part left and right, so that will be made by using this React Alice carousel. Okay, So what it does, React Alice Carousel is a React component which is used for building the content galleries, content rotors, and any React carousel. After this React IAT Next, it is again an internationalization library for React, okay, with that is to convert an application into different languages. After this React Image Lightbox, this is a library which will allow us to show our images in a flexible way, okay, inside our React project. Then this React Perfect Scroll Bar, so this is basically used as a wrapper to allow the use of perfect scroll bar in our React. Like you have seen that we have infinite scroll feature in our chat application, okay, in our friends list. So that will be made by using this library React Perfect Scroll Bar. After this, React Redux. So friends, Redux is basically a predictable state container for JavaScript apps, and I'm also going to teach this in my another course which will be based on React Redux, okay. And after this React Router DOM. So friends, a React Router DOM is basically what it does, it binds the DOM for use of React Router, okay. Then this React Slick. So friends, React Slick is basically a carousel component, okay, which is built within React, and it is a React port of Slick Carousel, and we will be using it to make the sliders, okay, image sliders inside our web chat app. This React Strap. So what is the function of React Strap? React Strap will be used to make our web app flexible, that is to work it on any device, okay, device of any size, from mobile to big screens, okay, through tablets. And it is a stateless React component for Bootstrap 4 library. After this Redux. So friends, in this we are going to install these three libraries. The first one is a stable Redux package. This second one, it is React bindings, and this third one is React developer tools, okay. So we will be using all of these three inside our project. And Redux is basically a predictable state container for our JavaScript apps that we make. After this comes this React Redux Saga, okay. So what is this Redux Saga? So Redux Saga is basically a library that aims to make applications free of side effects, okay. Side effects such as asynchronous things like data fetching, and impure things like accessing the browser cache memory, okay. So it is basically aimed to make our application free of side effects and easier to manage, more efficient to execute, easy to test, and better at handling failures, okay. After this simple bar React, this is also this we are going to use to make the scroll bars in our React project, okay. Then the Slick Carousel, again this will be used to create galleries like feature. And this last library that we are using, Yep. So Yep is basically a JavaScript schema builder which is used for value parsing and validation inside our React projects. So it basically defines a schema, transforms a value into a match, and validate the shape of an existing value. And Yep schema are extremely expressive and allows complex modeling, interdependent validations, or value transformations in our React apps. So friends, I hope this makes sense now, why we are installing all of these libraries and what are their functions, and it will become more clear when we will start using all of these libraries from our next video to create the UI of our web chat app. So I will see you in the next video.